Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tor wallet token. Now the Tor wallet token just recently finished their pre-sale on pinksale.finance. Now they just got listed on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Tor wallet token. So Tor wallet uses AI for audit, trial, and data security. It's anonymous, iris biometric encryption, 3-factor authentication, completely decentralized, no KYC data requirement, passive income daily, 24/7 support, app prototype live, massive YouTube, TikTok, celebrities, QQ, WeChat, zero tax, KYC audit, and 8% pink sale if you refer your friends. But that is over. So the pink sale pre-sale just finished recently. They had a very successful pre-sale. They had 546 different investors contribute to their pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 10 Ethereum. So this was done in Ethereum, this pre-sale here. And they ended up selling 194.49 ETH worth of tokens. So they did very well. Very successful pre-sale. They do have a full audit here listed on here. So they were audited by Cyberscope. And you can view the PDF of that audit on Pink Sale. They have a KYC on here, which means their team was doxxed. 2 solid proof to verify who they are for security reasons. They also have a web page listed on here, torwallet.app. They have a Twitter on here, torwallet at torwallet.app, and a Telegram at torwallet.app as well. So TOR is the ticker symbol for this token. 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 10 million tokens. 4,400,000 tokens for pre-sale. 2,199,000 tokens for liquidity. So now that this pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the Dapps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Tor token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinGecko. You can find their Etherscan on CoinGecko or their official webpage, torwallet.app. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And I do not believe you'll have to set slippage because it says 0% tax. So slippage should be fine, but you are going to have to pay a little bit of network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now it says also liquidity will be locked on Uniswap for 6 months, according to Pink Sale. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 44% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 5% get burnt, 3% of the tokens are unlocked, 2% of the tokens go to burn number 2, 5% go to strategic partners, 4% influencers, 5% staking, 10% development, and 21.9% of the tokens go to liquidity. So if you head over to CoinGecko, you can see that this token is actually up 32.4% today, doing very well today. If you want to find their wallet, you go over to wallet.torwallet.app. According to their Etherscan here, it says that they have 498 holders so far, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 10 million tokens. Also on CoinGecko, you can find their webpage, full white papers listed on here, price chart, contract address, wallet app, Twitter, and Telegram. So Tor Wallet is designed so users don't have to choose between their favorite cryptocurrencies and privacy coins. They have both. They can hold any cryptocurrency and still be able to use it confidently whenever they want. Privacy needs to be ubiquitous, inclusive, and accessible. Today, anyone can send Bitcoin, ETH, and thousands of other cryptocurrencies to another party without going through a financial institution. For those who value privacy, these cryptocurrencies come with a big trade-off. Transactions are recorded on public ledgers. Displayed amounts involved inscribing virtual identities of their senders and receivers. Given the choice, we strongly believe that every few people will be willingly disclosing their crypto financials to the entire world. Now, it goes over privacy and AI. So Tor Wallet provides a protection and privacy with the use of artificial intelligence. Using tools in the background results in a safe product that you could use on a daily basis. Keeping your crypto transactions private is important for your safety and confidentiality. Be careful about who you share your personal information with. Your personally identifying information is a target for thieves. So tokenomics breakdown, we pretty much went over that already. It says it was a fair launch. Tor Wallet has many unique features. Ad revenue is one that provides users with the ability to gain more tokens for great passive income. Watching ads for money can provide additional income for people, especially those who have spare time and want to earn a little cash. It says it's convenient. The process of watching ads for money is simple and convenient. People can do it from the comfort of their own home and at the pace and their schedule. It's got easy access, so watching ads for money is easy and accessible as it only requires an internet connection and a device such as a computer or smartphone. So utilization from socializing to sniping, Tor has it all, provided its capabilities ranging from different needs. The goal is to allow ease of access and a variety of utilities that are used within the masses. As adoption becomes more rampant with crypto, Tor Wallet will take its place among the giants. Now on their roadmap here, they're starting with Phase 1, website launch, Telegram launch, Medium launch, Reddit launch, and white paper release. Phase 2 is going to be wallet release, Tor Wallet, wallet morph, and then Tor Wallet instant tap, crypto marketing campaign, community engagement campaign, contract creation and testing, staking developments and testing, contract deployment, contract verification, audit confirmation, KYC confirmation, pre-sale funding. Phase 3 is going to be Tor Talk, Tor Wallet Snipe, 500 plus holders, 1 million market cap, YouTube campaign, Twitter campaign, DAO creation and development. Quarter 4, Tor Wallet ads, Tor Talk liquidity pools, community voted utility released, NFT released, NFT staking released, and then eventually they're all going to be listed on some central exchanges like Hotbit. So I do have a Hotbit referral code, so check that out. Check out all the other referral codes down there. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Tor Wallet? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Yeah, make sure you guys like this video and hit that subscribe button for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.